everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be making cookies here. So over here is my flour. I have some salt here, baking soda over here. This is my flavor. I'm going to be using the powder flavor. I have one medium egg here. I have some sugar over here, some butter. So we are going to get started. So I'm going to be listing everything on my screen. Yes, feel free to check it out. So we're going to start. I'm going to add the butter in there and with the sugar. So we're going to cream the butter and the sugar together. So it's ready now. So what I'm going to be doing is just to combine the dry ingredients first of all. So I'm going to be adding my flavor, sugar, and the baking soda. So the next thing is adding is my egg. So guys, this is it. This is how it looks. It looks beautiful now. Beautiful. Yeah. So I'm going to take it to my oven now to bake. It's so ready, guys. It's ready, guys. So yummy, delicious, and delicious. Yeah.